At exactly 12 p.m. in cities across the world, the sky snaps to pitch black. Airplanes vanish into darkness. Mid-flight, solar farms die instantly. For the first time in human history, we fear the sky itself. What if, at exactly noon, the sky went completely dark? Not a cloud, not an eclipse, just an instant collapse of daylight. Across the United States, India, and the United Kingdom, people freeze. Cars stopping in the road, birds falling silent, and shadows disappearing under a sky that suddenly looks endless. Scientists scramble to explain the impossible. Some think the upper atmosphere has triggered a massive light scattering failure. Others fear something far worse. Our sun may still be shining, we just can't see its light anymore. Within minutes, temperature drops begin. Solar power dies, migration patterns collapse, even our sense of time fractures because noon no longer means daylight. But then, strange phenomenon emerges. Glowing waves ripple across the world's oceans as if Earth itself is lighting the darkness from below. And as night continues at midday, humanity is forced to consider a terrifying possibility. This wasn't a failure of sunlight, it was a warning. What if the sky went dark because something is coming? Tell me, what would you do if daylight vanished